Is your saw running erratically? You might need a new Carburetor Adapter Kit. The Carburetor Adapter Kit connects the carburetor to the cylinder. It provides both vibration reduction to the carburetor and acts as a heat isolator to keep the carb cool. If your engine is running erratically, it could be an issue with the Carburetor Adapter Kit. There are gaskets on either side of the adapter that can fail. The adapter itself is made of plastic and can crack. A crack in the isolator, or a bad gasket, will allow extra, unregulated air into the cylinder. This will cause the saw to run erratically, and the extra air will make the saw run lean, which can cause serious engine damage. Replacing the Carburetor Adapter Kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the top cover. Now remove the air filter cover and the air filter. Now I can remove the air filter base. Now remove the throttle linkage. I'll pull the trigger so I can access the end of the linkage and pull it away from the trigger. The choke lever, the fuel lines, and the carburetor. Now remove the carburetor gasket. Now remove the carburetor adapter. It's held in place with 4 screws. The 2 top ones are quite easy to get to. You can use a torque screwdriver to do that. But the bottom 2, you can't reach a screwdriver in there. So what I'm using is a small ratchet with a socket drive. So I'll use the screwdriver on the top 2 screws and then switch over to my ratchet for the bottom ones. Now install the new carburetor adapter. I'll line up the cylinder gasket. Now I can place this onto the saw. And I'll secure it with the screws. Now install the intake tube onto the carburetor adapter. Now I can install the carburetor gasket, followed by the carburetor. I'll line the carburetor up with the intake tube and make sure I get a good seal there. I want to be careful not to fold over the intake tube. Now reinstall the fuel lines. And I'll go ahead and install the choke lever. Now reinstall the throttle linkage. It goes into the hole on the carburetor. Then again, I'll pull the trigger and slide the linkage back into place. Now install the air filter base and the air filter. The air filter cover goes on last. just like that. And I'll reinstall the top cover.